So in the master data level, we won't have any key figures. So the key figures will be measurable, right? Measurable means I can able to do addition. Okay, I can do division. I can do multiplication. These are all operations, right? In the mathematical level. So by using this, I cannot perform anything in the master data level. So it won't, we will not allow, okay, we will not create any key figures in the master data level. In the transactional data level, TD means transactional data. In the transactional data level, we will have all these things. Amount, revenue, sales volume. Okay, these things will come. Quantity. So all this will come in the transactional data. Okay. For example, you go to DMart. Okay. What is your sales document number? Sales document number. And what is sales document item? How many items you have taken? Might be you have taken multiple items. This is sales order number one and sales document item. Okay. This is item one, item two. Like this will be there. And which location you are buying? Which location? Or less region? Which region you are going? Which region? And then mm, which plant you are buying, which company code, what is the material you are buying, what is the customer name, what is the customer, and then finally quantity, and quantity and how much units, and then amount, how much currency, are you paying money into the INR? So like this would be there. If you are doing any transaction in any DMart or somewhere, so like this will generate. You are suppose you are buying multiple items. I mean, 10 to 11 items you buy it. Okay, same sales document number. This is sales document number. And sales order item is 01. And what is the reason? Okay. The reason is Bangalore. Okay. What is the plant? Plant is 1000. Example. What is the company code? Company code also 1000. What is the material one? M1. What is the customer name? I mean, customer name, it will not display now. Customer number will give, okay? C1. C1 means Kiran. What is the quantity? How much you bought? 10. 10 quantity. M1 material, M1 material, you bought 10. 10 quantity. And what is the units? Kgs or pieces? Yeah, pieces. What is the amount? 1000 or 10,000. What is the currency? Yes, like this. And what is the same document number only? Same document number only. Same location only. Same plant only now. Same plant only. And then same company code. But material is different, bro. Now material is different. Customer is same. Customer is same now. And this is different. Again, quantity is different. Item is different, right? This is kgs. This is amount also different. Okay, amount will you will pay in the so like this you have to pay. This is like transactional data, bro. This is like transactional data. And master data, how it will be there? For example, customer master data. Customer master data will be like customer number, customer number, customer name, customer name, customer name, and then what is first name? What is first name? What is middle name? What is last name? Okay, like this we have it. Okay, what is the location? What is your first address? What is your first address? What is your second address? What is your mobile number? What is your mobile number two? What is your street? So like this, your information only would be there. How what qualification do you have? Okay, when you passed 10th, when you passed intermediate, when you passed degree. So like this, all the difference would be there. There is no amount and quantity and all in the customer master data. I don't require also in the customer master data. Okay, in the transactional data, I am using customer. In the transactional data, I'm using customer. Okay, if I want any details, I can by using navigation attribute, I can drill down it. Whatever information, this information, whatever you need, any information, because of under the customer only, we are having all these options. So, like this, you can go to here. I'll what is the attributes means? What is the attributes means? Can go YY plant. So in the attributes level, I will add all these objects. I mean, I will add customer name. I will add customer mobile number. I will add customer mobile number two. I will add your 10th class pass date, intermediate pass date, degree pass date. What is your age? Which is your street, complete street, and what is your, like, all relevant your information. I will add all the attributes. If you want in the transactional data, okay, sometimes they want to know about complete customer. For example, you have taken more, I mean, many quantity. You have taken many quantity. They want to give you some discounts to you. Okay, they will identify your address and all based on this customer data. So we already maintain in the customer master data K1 table in SAP ECC or S4HANA. We have a table, okay, separate table for customer master data, KNA1. We have a table for master data of material. Again, material also we have a master data. Okay, what is the material? What is the material name? What is the material name? Okay, what is the material type? Material type. What is the material group? So these things will come again for material also. In the same way, for plant also same. Plant name, location, where exactly it is there. So like this, what is the company code? Like this, we have a master data. So in the real time, we will use 100% this wherever you go. Okay, plant master data available. Master data. You need to understand. Okay, the plant master data name is zero plant. Zero plant. Okay, zero material. Zero material. Zero vendor. Wherever you go, any company, these options would be there. Okay, without this master data, we cannot survey. Zero com com code. Company code. This means these are our technical names, bro. Material and customer. So these are all important, okay, in the real time. Zero company code, zero customer, okay, zero plant, right? Um, so sales organization, GL account, customer, plant, zero profit center, okay, then zero cost center. So these are all real time, very important, okay, very important in the real time, and zero division, okay, customer, vendor, main, okay. So customer master data will be available where? Customer master data available where? From where, which model will come? From SD. Okay, vendor master data from where? From MM. Think yourself. Okay, customers where it will available? In sales only, right? In the sales only, right? SD means what? Sales and distribution. Vendor where? Purchasing where it will be there? MM only, right? Purchasing. GL where? All transactions will store where? Finance only, right? GL and all. GL from GL account from FI. So different models will come. Okay. Sales are from where? Sales are from where? SD only. Okay. Material from where? It will be available in both, bro. SD and MM. Okay. Which material you are selling? Which material you are manufacturing? So we need to understand, we need to think in that way. Clear? Plant from where? MM. So like this, we need to think, okay. So in the real time, we will see, okay, how to load data from, okay, existing object I will show you, okay, how it will be there. These are all customized objects, right? We'll load the data as well. So now I will show you real object. So what I told you, whichever object is started with 0, that is like BA content object. That is like BA content object. 0 plant. 0 plant. Is it available? No. Okay. Okay. Here it is not available. Let me check in here. It is not activated in the system. Okay. Old version. It is not activated. Let me check here. 0 plant is available. It's not there actually. Okay. I'll check in here. Okay. In the other option, other system. Okay. Here I will check it. Okay. Go here and I'm searching in BW on HANA, 0 plant. If we have, it is searching now. So here we have a 0 plant. You can see here. Here you can see. I searched for, this is the symbols also you need to identify. This is info source. Okay, you can see info source last. You can see triangle. This is like info object. So you can see this is data source. Okay, easily you have to recognize ma. Once you get the job, okay, you have to recognize. You are searching for plant. So you are searching for plant data source or plant info object. Yeah, we are searching for plant info object. We need to be very clear. So the development we can do within fraction of minutes. The development and all in the BW we can create very short time. I mean 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 30 minutes we can finish our development. But what we are going to do, that is very important. Why we have to do this? Okay, that is very important. See, this is existed one. I have not created. SAP only given. I am reusing. See here, what they selected here. You can see all these options they have selected. How many tables are there? You can go to a DDIC. How many tables are generated here in the backend? What they given length? Okay, oh, you can go to here master data. Okay, they have selected export data source as well. You can select. Okay, you can see time dependent master data and all. Okay, you can go to attributes as well. So how many objects are there in that attribute level? So like this you can see. Okay, you can see many. You can see total 35 are there. Fewer navigation attribute, fewer display attributes. We'll see. Okay. Now you can see these tables, right? If you want to see the data, you can see it. How will see? Just click at the display data. Okay. I'm just clicking this. It will take you to the new screen. Okay, web screen. And finally, it will go to BW system only. See here, which system? BW and HANA. Okay, click on it. Now it is clicking on one more project. Okay, finish. See here, what data is available? What data is available here? You can see ma plant. Plant is 003 means what? 033 means what? I don't know. Remember this 003, 005 means what? I don't know. Okay. We'll see. I will tell you what is that. Okay. Now I'll go to here where mhm. I'm going to properties and I will select the text table. This one. Okay. I'm selecting text table. Now you will come to know 003 means what? See ma here, double click. This one, click on this. And what is the 003? I'll go and check it. They didn't load the text. No table entries found for this one. If you want, then I can load as well. So I will go to here, /1 RS7. See T plant, right? I will load it. Where is the 0 plant? I'll go to info folder. I'll go to info folder and I'm searching for plant brown. So we will do practical like this. Okay. Here, this is text, right? So attribute, hierarchy, and text. What we are discussing, when it will behave master data, at least maintain attributes or hierarchy or text. Then it will become master data. If you don't maintain anything, then it will not be master data. That is the way, say, once you maintain at least anything, then it will be available in the info product. If you don't maintain anything, it will not available in info product, it will available in the info objects. Clear. So now I am going to, so here we don't have anything, okay? Transformations. We need to create new transformation and we will load. So create transformation. Okay, I'm trying to load text data. From where we need to load? Okay, I will load data from zero plant. This is simple English only. I mean, this things and all we are giving zero plant text only. What is the source? I'm selecting S4. Okay, click OK. Okay, it is not active. That means source is not active. So I will check it. Okay, here zero plant text. It is available or not? I will check it. Okay, and search it. So these are all ready-made data sources. Okay. Oh, okay. We need to select EC0 CL8. Okay. I selected different one. Okay. I'll go back here again. Okay. Right click. I'll create transformation. And here I will give data source. We need to load data from through data source. And what is the data source name? What is the source system name? I copied from there. Click here. Yeah. Now it is coming. So from where to where we need to map it. Okay, see, plant is plant. So the plant is like, here works. In the ECC, we have a plant name is works. WERKS works. In BW, we have this is info object. Zero plant is info object, this is field. So now text, middle text is mapped. Okay, now I will activate it. It's taking time. Okay, let me activate it. Activating. So once here, see, you can see it does not exist and edit is not saved. So once it is done, it will be like this. So basically the source system is not working. Okay, let me do back, go back. And now we created this one. Okay. Now right click. I will create the info package. So we are loading data from where? ECC. So source system is not incorrect, not possible to load the data. There is a issue with the source system. Okay, so we cannot load the data. That means, so fine. Okay, we will do from S4 HANA as well. Okay, how we will do it from S4 HANA? RSDS. RSDS, I will give plant. I will replicate it. Okay, so replication means what? In a word, okay, we need to copy. Replication means copy. Which is from which system I am copying? S4 HANA. Where is the S4 HANA system name? So we need to search here. I think this one, right? ODP SAP. Yeah. Yeah. Let me do it. Okay. If it is working or not, we'll see. Okay. First one, I will replicate the data source. You can directly control shift F2, but I don't remember. Control F, shift F2. So if data is not replicated, okay, because of, so once system is fine, then we can do it all these things. Okay. If we go to RS7, there is a source systems. Okay. Here you can see source systems. Which system is connected? We can, if it is not working, we need to connect to the base system. We need to connect to the base system. So this BW system to connect with what? BWH client. Okay, BWH client. Okay. And this one, SAP extractors. Is it working? Client. So here you can check. If it is working, then you can able to see. It is working. And this one? Check. Ah, it is working, but it is not replicating. So we'll see what is the issue and all. Okay, I will try to show you tomorrow how to load the data, master data and all. We'll see tomorrow, by tomorrow. Okay, we will keep target by tomorrow. Okay. I will load zero plant attribute and text. So you need to remember, okay, this is info object, BA contain info object, zero plant, and also zero material, and also zero customer. So you cannot expect everything will work in the dummy system. In the real time will work. Okay, zero vendor. So we need to do all these practicals. Okay, this is from ECC or S4HANA we can load. And we will load data from Excel. We will load data from Excel. Oh, we will try in SAP BW first, then we will try in SAP BW on HANA, then we will try into SAP BW for HANA. Okay, we will try tomorrow. By using Excel, I will load data into these systems one by one. So now you clear, right? How to create info object in three systems? Any doubt? Simple. If you want to create info object in the HANA Studio, just go here. Just go here. Click this one. So you know, right, how to create info object here. Right click on this info area. See here, just right click here info object. You can create it, right? In BW4 HANA. This is HANA Studio only. I'm showing you in HANA Studio. If you want to create info object in the older version, you can go here, right? RSD1. Clear? Huh? Bro, are you clear?
Yes, sir. No, no, clear.
Yeah. If you have any doubts, just ask me. Okay. Hmm. This is only we created, okay? Basically. Actually, this we don't have access. That we'll try. Which is ECL CL 100. Uh, so in the real time also we'll do same thing, bro. In the real time also we'll do same activity. It will not change single object as well. We will create. There is a problem actually not present. I will check and I'll come back to you. Okay. We need to replicate into the source level. We need to activate into the source level. How we will activate in the source level? Go to here. I mean, if I explain everything, you will confuse it. So that is the way I will go by one. So tomorrow we'll take one Excel file and we will load and we will see the data one by one. Okay. If we will check in P table, we will check in G table, M table, MV, we will check in Q table, we will check into the T table. So slowly one by one I'll check. Okay. You will get confused at one time. Okay. Actually, we need to go here. We need to activate our respective data source. RSFI. I'm into RSFI in the S4HANA. Okay. I'm clicking on this. Search for our object. What is our object? This is our data source. We need to activate it. Activate the data source. Local object. Okay. Now we will check into the RSS whether it is working or not. Okay, now I'm executing. This is text, plant text only. That means it will give the text information for the plant. Okay, you can see here 003 005 means what? This one. Plant 003 001 means work. And you can see this is 2020 Mysore plant. 2020 means Mysore plant. ZMU means Mumbai plant. ZVBAP means like this, they will give name. They will give name. Okay, 1002 Anil plant. So in the real time, not like this, so they will give like no country names will come. Okay, North America, Europe, and Brazil. Okay, Canada, like this they will give in the real time. Dubai, Middle East. Okay, they will give like this names will give. So easily, okay, 100 means Anil plant. 003 means plant 003. So like this we will identify it. 1710 means once you load this one text, then only we can recognize. This text will be stored into the T table. Clear now? But while you are seeing in the report level 0003, I cannot able to recognize. When I see 1710 in the report level, what plant it is? When I see this text, plant one US, okay, this is relevant to US plant, okay, this much sales happened for this plant. Mysore plant 2020. When I see in the report level Mysore plant, then I can able to recognize. I'm not old employee. Recently I joined. What is 2020? I don't know. When I see the text, then only I will come to know. Oh, this is a Mysore plant. Are you getting me? So, okay, so that is the way SAP given multiple options, okay? We will see, okay, all tables. We will load data into the text. We will load data into the P table. We will load data into the key table. Okay, we'll see all these tables. Okay, tomorrow we'll keep the target. First, we will load BW, then we will load BW on HANA, and we will load into the BW for HANA. Okay, clear? From based on Excel. Okay, after Excel, we will go to the SAP ECC. We will load to the same position. We will load data into from ECC to these systems. After that, we will load data from S4 HANA to SAP BW on HANA. Like this, we will load. Clear? First, we will load master data. After that, we will load transactional data as well. Slowly. Okay, any doubts, bro? Just okay,
No,
don't
no.
go too much. Okay, just today, how to create info object in SAP BW. Okay, what is required T codes? Okay, what is required T codes? RSD1 or else RSA1. For SAP HANA Studio, not required, bro. SAP HANA Studio not required any T code. T code means transaction code. Okay, transaction code. In the SAP, we will run with the transaction code. Okay, clear? Huh? Okay, chalo, bye. Please ready with your servers and we will do practicals based on Monday onwards. Okay, I will give exercise also. Okay, I will give some data also, some reference data also I will share with you guys. You need to okay, you need to do practical. If you don't do practical, it will be little difficult for you after getting job.
Okay.
Okay, chalo.
ఓకే అన్న
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.